Hi, Speech 101 students. My name is Jenna, in case you don't recognize me. Wait a minute. I met you this morning. This is what I look like this morning. So there, I probably looked a little more familiar. This video is just kind of a quick reminder about Microsoft Teams. Anyone who did not attend the first day of class, either by streaming or being physically present, I want to make sure you know where to go to watch the recording of the class. Okay? All right, so the way it's going to be set up for right now is you're going to go back here into Microsoft Teams, right? You go into your 365 suite. I'm going to click on Teams. It'll take just a second for it to open up. Okay, so I'll click on my Teams. I am then going to click on, I'll just pick 10 o'clock. Okay, and look, right here it is. So you can see all the chat is always recorded and it's there for a while. Okay, and then I just click on the box and the class will start. All right, so if you were in class today, I don't think there's any reason for you to go back and look, right? But if you were not in class, either streaming or physically present, I would make sure you do that. Okay, so one of the other things I talked about is if you wanted to have, like, say tomorrow you have a question for me getting ready for class for Wednesday, you can also in your team site send a note to me. Okay, you can just type right here, you type @JGallion. You can also come on up to chat. And you can see I have lots of names in here from people from past classes, but you go into chat, you would type, if you want to get me, you type @JGallion. I wonder if I can do this. @JGallion. What do you mean no matches? Let me try this again. Well, that's just crazy town. Maybe it's because it's me. It's not letting me. Okay. But anyway, you could type in somebody else. You could type in @Jenna Gallion, or just Jenna. Maybe that's what it is. Yeah, that's all I had to do. Type in that way. So if I wanted to have a meeting with Jenna Bennett, she needed to have a meeting with me, she could type that. And then see over here, there's a phone. So you click that phone or you click that video and it calls me right on my computer. Okay, just like a FaceTime kind of thing. And if I'm sitting in front of my computer, I'll answer it. Okay, so beyond office hour time, you could probably get me a lot like this. The other thing you can do is go right into your team site again and just type and see if you can get my attention that way. Go into, like I said, the private chat and then type to me, type Jenna Gallion and send a chat to me. Okay, so keep in mind anything you type here in our classroom main, if you're in Teams and you type in this one here, everybody sees it. And that's really important that you know it's not a private conversation, okay? In order to have the private conversation, you got to click chat, get my attention, okay? And then you can type a message down here in the box. All right, that is all. Please look for an email coming to you with the designation of who's going to come on Wednesdays, who's going to come on Mondays. All right, I'll see you guys soon.